we will be checking out EKSAtelecom's newer releases, the EKSA H5 ENC noise-canceling productivity headsets. If you work regularly on the go, in call centers and at home, you would find the product useful for your work purposes. The product packaging looks professionally packed. Let's proceed to check out what is inside the box. Inside the box, users will find one charging stand and a PC adapter, for you to connect and charge up the headset when docking, along with the EKSA H5 headset. Also included is a carrying pouch to store your headset when not in use. A user guide is also included, along with a USB-C charging power cable for charging up the headset, all packed neatly in the product packaging. On first impression, the EKSA H5 ENC noise-canceling headset looks really sleek in a matte black color finish. It looks modern and has a minimalist type of feel to it, looks neat when charging on the dock. Let's explore it further in detail. On the headset charging stand, users can find the power port on the dock, along with a nice slot for you to place the USB PC adapter in the dedicated slot on the dock, so everything looks neat and organized. We have multiple connection modes, first via the USB port, and second via the Bluetooth wireless technology. Great for productivity, right? Power the dock up with the USB cable provided, just plug and charge up. So simple. Inside, you will find the charging port and a plus button, for you to control the volume of the headset, along with media files etc., while on the other side, you will find the power button and minus button, also for multifunction wireless controls. Press and hold the power button to power up the headset. The anti-slip pad rests nicely on the head and is designed to keep the headset where it belongs. The headband is adjustable and fully flexible to fit the user. Pretty nice and ergonomic designs. The soft and breathable ear pad is another feature. It helps keeps the ear cool and comfortable by allowing air to flow through while in use, especially for work where it may be used for long hours. Wearing it should be more comfortable than regular headsets. To connect, simple, turn on your device source. In my case it will be a smartphone. Go to the setting page and connect to the H5 product in the selection list. It connects relatively quickly in around 10 seconds. You can get hands-free control of the host device. Press the forward or backward keys to control, for example, the playlist of your media files, or volume. Other functions like pause and play, voice assistant are available for use on the headset. Wear it on your left or right ears. It has a rotatable 270 degrees microphone, so depending on your desire, you can wear it on your right or left ears. But in the pouch provided after use, fits nicely in the storage pouch. Overall, I find the EKSA H5 a good innovative solution to communication needs for your work. It just uses one side of the ear to provide you clear and crisp audio communication, leaving the other ear for you to communicate with your colleagues freely. Use it around the office or home for work. Find out more with the link in description. Thank you for watching.